In UAE B2B, spending starts before the plan does. A Google Ads burst, boosted posts, and idle Instagram. Here is how to write the strategy first and point every dirham somewhere. A strategy is a written plan, not a pile of tactics. It sets your buyer, channels, content, and measure. The post and the ad are execution beneath it. UAE B2B buying is committee-led and runs over months. Buyers do much of their research before first contact. Internet users reach 99%, the highest share globally. That is 11.3 million users. Mobile near 202%. Start from the buyer and the outcome, not the channel. Map the committee: technical, finance, end user, and board sign-off. Pick one objective: pipeline, authority, or nurture. Where the buyer sits shapes the question. A DIFC or ADGM firm researches in English, institutionally. A mainland buyer expects Arabic and a longer approval chain, so plan both languages from the start. For most UAE firms, LinkedIn anchors the mix. Around 10 million members, ad reach near 87.6%. Add SEO and content, email, WhatsApp, and selective paid search. WhatsApp carries UAE follow-up between meetings. Weight channels to deal size, then give each its clock. LinkedIn signals in 2 to 4 months, SEO in 4 to 8. The fair read on SEO sits near 12 months. Split spend into one-off foundations and an ongoing retainer. Brand, website, and profile are built once, then maintained. Concentrate the retainer on 2 or 3 channels, not 5 thin. Sequence across 90 days, not all at once. Days 1 to 30. Lock positioning, profiles, content. Days 31 to 60. Publish and track inquiry source. Days 61 to 90. Red signal, cut the dead channel. Measure against the goal. Qualified leads, pipeline, cost per lead. Impressions and follower counts are outputs, not outcomes. Capture the source at first contact and the language. Most failures are sequencing, not the choice of channel. The classics: no baseline, no owner, cutting too early. Walk production runs strategy, SEO, content, and channels as one team. Back to the start, money moved before the plan. Write the strategy, pick a focused mix, launch. The most useful first step is also the cheapest. Plan yours with Walk Production.